Breathe easy, understanding air circulation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's both simple and essential: air circulation. Whether you're in a classroom, office, or just lounging at home, understanding this concept can make a big difference in your comfort and health. So, let's breathe in some knowledge and clear the air about what air circulation really means. First things first, let's dissect the term air circulation into two parts: air and circulation. Air refers to the invisible mixture of gases that surrounds the Earth and is necessary for all forms of life. It's what we breathe in every second of our lives. Circulation describes the continuous movement or flow of air, or any substance, within a particular area. When we talk about circulation in a biological context, it often refers to the movement of blood throughout the body. But in our case, it's all about how air moves around. So, when we combine these two terms, air circulation refers to the process of moving air within a specific space to ensure a fresh and comfortable environment. Understanding air circulation is crucial for several reasons. 1. Health. Good air circulation helps to reduce the concentration of pollutants, allergens, and pathogens in the air, which can lead to respiratory problems and other health issues. 2. Comfort. Proper circulation ensures that air temperature is more evenly distributed, making environments more comfortable to live and work in. 3. Energy efficiency. Efficient air circulation can help in maintaining the temperature of a room, reducing the need for heating or cooling, which in turn saves on energy costs. Improving air circulation can be simpler than you might think. Here are a few tips. Open windows. This is the most straightforward way to allow fresh air to enter and stale air to exit. Use fans. Fans can help move air around, especially in rooms where windows are not an option, in conjunction with open windows for better effect. Clean air filters. Regularly cleaning or replacing air filters in your HVAC system ensures that air can flow freely and efficiently. Rearrange furniture. Make sure that large pieces of furniture are not blocking air vents or creating dead zones where air cannot circulate. That wraps up our discussion on air circulation. Understanding and improving the flow of air in your surroundings can greatly impact your health, comfort, and even your wallet. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of fresh air and how to achieve it in your daily spaces. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful videos. Stay curious, and keep learning.